This demonstration shows you how you can navigate to IoT Digital Twin from Dispatch List, for real-time monitoring of automation equipment data, to enhance your business. The ability to navigate to IoT Digital Twin view directly from the Dispatch List saves time for operators, from switching to multiple screens to obtain information about work order execution status, and equipment performance. Now let's get into the demo. First, we will log into manufacturing, and navigate to the work execution work area to review a work order operation in the dispatch list that is processed by automation equipment. After logging into manufacturing, and navigating to the work execution work area, we will use the review dispatch list task to review a work order operation that is processed by automation equipment. As can be seen here, the dispatch list displays an operation that has quantities in ready and in process statuses. Now let's expand the first record that represents a work order operation that has a quantity in ready status. The dispatch list has been enhanced with the ability to allow users to navigate to the IoT Digital Twin view of the automation equipment that processes the operation, using the Monitor Equipment button, as can be seen here. This capability is available for work order operation records that have quantities in ready or in process statuses. Next, let's expand the in process record. Next, let's click on the Monitor Equipment button to navigate to the digital twin view of the equipment that is currently processing the operation. Upon clicking on the Monitor Equipment button in the dispatch list, the user is navigated to the digital twin view of the equipment in the context of the work order operation that is currently being processed. Next, let's review real-time contextual telemetry data that is received from the equipment. As you can see here, the digital twin view displays real-time, contextual telemetry data related to two characteristics of the product that is being processed by the equipment. Next, let's review some of the execution details related to the work order operation. As you can see here, the digital view of the equipment displays work order operation execution details such as the work order number, operation sequence, current run number, quantity being processed, status of execution, name and version of the program being used. To summarize, this feature provides the ability to navigate to the IoT Digital Twin view of the equipment from the dispatch list for work order operation records that have quantities in ready and in process statuses. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.